online predators. The operation landing 25 men behind bars. The one thing a sheriff says you should do to protect your children. Good evening and thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Wendy Ryan.
And I'm Jamison Euler. Chances are your child has a cell phone and chances are they have social media apps on them.
That's right. But this evening, really a real warning to be vigilant. This after Sarasota County deputies arrest more than 24 men accused of soliciting kids online.
ABC Action News reporter Haley Bull with the sheriff's message for parents tonight.
It all comes down to these, your kids' phones. The sheriff wants you to know what's on them to protect kids from online predators and human trafficking.
I like to look at my trauma as my testimony.
Kimberly Weller's testimony is one of survival.
The root of a lot of human trafficking stems from childhood sexual trauma. My story is no different.
She says it paved the way for her to fall into trafficking in her adult life in Sarasota.
I was affected, and I would never want someone else to go through what I went through.
And neither do investigators here. In Sarasota County, 25 men arrested during a 4-day initiative to protect kids from online predators and human trafficking.
All utilize the internet and mobile applications to contact the children to have sex.
They say the suspects ranged from a cook to a naval chief petty officer scheduled to deploy who traveled to meet who they thought were minors.
I have no control over social media. I have no control over the apps. There's no regulations on it.
That's why he says the best prevention starts with parents knowing what's on their kids' phones.
These traffickers and online predators are smart and they go where the kids go.
Selah Freedom is an anti-trafficking group. When prevention coordinators ask students if they've been approached by someone to meet up online.
Every single classroom there is at least 1 to 5 students that raises their hand. So I think it is a massive problem in the Tampa Bay area.
It's a problem Kimberly wants to prevent too. But her story?
I don't let it hold me back any longer. I allow it to be something that empowers me to keep moving forward.
The sheriff here says they will continue conducting these initiatives, cracking down on online predators. In Sarasota, Haley Bull, ABC Action News.